with your spine straight, so that you can receive these codes of light with ease and grace and an expanded heart. For this specific transmission, we have Joshua and Mother Mary present with us today. And the core of the transmission will be to embody more Christ consciousness in your human form, in your human body. That means more of your true soul essence. Your true soul essence embodied in your physical vehicle. And for this to happen, we need to create more space. We must allow for expansion as higher consciousness, more light, less density requires space. We must become more flexible, viable. Žao iau kiena, varno ostupaya kiatia. Unshoe vai kiena okrolos npotoetia ashtiatia, ashtiatia. Shivai voya kiashta, ndiapai kiashta. To help with this expansion, please use your breath. Inhale deeply through the nose. Expand your belly. Fill your whole being with the breath of life, with Christed breath. Allow for white, pure crystalline light to flow in through your crown chakra now. Like a pouring shower of these crystalline codes that rearranges, rewrites, overrides, and activates your crystalline DNA. Jiatia, no Kiashtiatiana. Varlotion to Poetia, Kiaston to Doviata, Shiatia. Amiauku Istava, Yanono, my Kista, Yaku Untrolotion Potoko Yetista. Physical, emotional, mental, spiritual programming that we have carried for eons of time in this third dimensional reality and into the fourth. It means we have to leave and shed these layers within our being and to walk naked through the gates. To become nothing and no one. However, on the other side, to realize that we are everything. We carry everything inside of us. And from this infinite love light that we are, starts molding this new reality called the fifth dimension and beyond. There is no bypassing. There are no shortcuts. There is only embodying these higher frequencies. Living, talking, walking as that. As love. Mastroyativa yeshtauki ina. Vayashnuboyatia okiana. Shtiatia uru mjukantara shikarkirpateti. Korlo pashunta karala shapatati. Kalashnu prokrikirkirkiri. Daldash prokrikirkiri. Waking up to sensing, eventually knowing who you truly are beyond this human experience. And this sensation, this knowing will impermeate everything that you are. It is you. It is infiltrated with all life. With all life. You are one with all life. Yashn Podoya Ntroya Teatrash Pokotoya Shimaya Koya Miyakiashtia Tia Romposho Toila Tiashtia Kiana of light that hold information that your body and your cellular memory will remember. These codes, they activate this sensation and this knowing of who you are. And once this knowing is firmly integrated and anchored into your being, activated and continuously present enough for you to really remember this feeling, this beingness, and everything else falls away. Nothing else is important enough to disturb your peace and to catch you off guard or to make you forget again and step into your human experience without this knowingness in the background that changes everything. This remembrance and this knowing is your new perspective, your new set of glasses that you see everything through. You are a human, but a Christed human that has the Christed heart activated. And through the Christed heart, different. You see through the eyes of truth, through the eyes of love light and infinite intelligence. And this changes your priorities, your choices, your behavior, fully awake, multidimensional being, walking planet Earth, experiencing it through a human body, which is in full transformation from a carbon-based structure to a crystalline silica structure. And this enables you to experience the different dimensions, higher dimensional experience with lower density, more light, more plasma. But this can only happen through the body, bringing your body with Vaya Shia Maya